Looking for a fun and healthy snack option? Well, you're in the right place. Healthy snacking is all about finding clever ways to incorporate more nutritious food into our daily routine. Fruits, packed with vitamins and fiber, are the ideal snack. But let's add a twist. Imagine threading colorful, juicy fruits onto skewers and pairing them with a creamy yogurt dip. Sounds delicious, right? That's the power of creative, healthy snacking. In this video, we will guide you through a simple recipe to make fruit kebabs with yogurt dip. First things first, gather all the ingredients. You'll need a delightful array of fruits. Think strawberries, grapes, juicy pineapple chunks, and refreshing melon balls. Don't forget to grab some wooden skewers for threading your fruit. The other key players in this recipe are smooth vanilla yogurt and a sweet drizzle of honey. Remember, the beauty of this recipe is its flexibility. Feel free to use any fruits that tickle your fancy. With these ingredients, you're all set to start creating your fruit kebabs. Now let's get threading those fruits onto the skewers. The beauty of fruit kebabs is in the variety. It's a colorful medley of nature's sweetest offerings, where each fruit brings its unique flavor and texture. Start by holding a wooden skewer and thread a strawberry onto it. Feel free to be creative with your pattern. Maybe follow it up with a juicy piece of pineapple, then a crisp grape, and a refreshing melon ball. Repeat the process until your skewer is full of vibrant fruits. The threading part is not just about stacking the fruits together, it's about creating a visual appeal that makes your kebabs irresistible. The contrast of colors, the mix of textures, and the anticipation of different flavors in each bite is what makes fruit kebabs a delightful treat. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. It's all about having fun while creating a nutritious snack. With all the fruits threaded onto the skewers, your fruit kebabs are ready. A good kebab deserves a great dip. How about a sweet yogurt dip? Let's dive right into it. Take some vanilla yogurt, creamy and rich, and mix in a drizzle of honey. As you stir, watch as the honey swirls into the yogurt, creating a blend that's both sweet and tangy. This dip is not just delicious, but it also brings out the natural flavors of your fruit kebabs, enhancing every bite with its creaminess. And there you have it. A sweet and creamy yogurt dip to go with your fruit kebabs. Now, it's time for the best part, serving and enjoying your creation. Relish the fresh, vibrant fruit kebabs complemented by the sweet and creamy yogurt dip. This snack is not just delicious, but it's also packed with essential vitamins, fiber, and proteins. It's a fun twist to your regular fruit serving, making it even more enjoyable. So next time you're on the hunt for a fun and healthy snack, remember these delightful fruit kebabs with yogurt dip. Happy snacking.